Hi, today I can show how to use WooCommerce for custom services. Like you see, there are some service item, and I used dummy content right now, but we'll update it. Once click any single service, then it will automatically add to cart and go to the checkout page. So how can we create it using WooCommerce? Okay, first we can create his services as a product. Then we can connect the product link to his services buttons. So first we can go to WooCommerce product, and this is the doc file that client sent me. I owns the product or booking packages as a WooCommerce product. So first I can copy the package name and click at new. Okay, this is the package name and this is the price. Okay, we can add the minutes also here, and 65 USD, and this is the short description. You can type it, paste it here. Okay, and then you can add a dummy featured in product image from here. Let's use the dummy image and publish it. Like the same way, I can add another products with the name and the pricing. So let me do it. Okay, I added three product, and now I can collect the product ID. You see, this is the ID, and here is also 612, 13, and 14. Now let's search Google direct to cart link WooCommerce. Check the documentations. Like you see, this is the ID they shown. First copy the ID and simple card use short below replaced. Okay, add to cart product ID, then quantity, and we can replace the product ID here, and quantity should be 1, and use this type of format URL on our buttons. And this is the add cart system, and another process is checkout. Like when you can click and then it will go to the checkout page like this, and ask to put payment information and pay. So direct after adding to cart, after product add to cart, you can choose redirect the customer by default. Same page unless WooCommerce setting are configured redirect to cart checkout page to customer. Okay, so we can use this to directly redirect to our customer to checkout page. So first we can go to the page, and I can put the link here, and we can set quantity 1 and product ID that we copied here 614, and the link should be our website link. This link we can copy and paste it here. Okay, now we can update our title like this. Copy and paste it here. Okay, yeah. We maybe don't need this. Let's add some line height 1.5. Okay, and the description, and this is for 20 minutes. Okay, and this is the second on 13. We can copy this and paste it here and just change it to 13 and update the title and description. Then this on. Okay, and this is the last one. Okay, and again we can use this link here, paste it, and it will be 14. Okay, now publish. Refresh it. And now we can preview, and let's check the first item. Yeah, you see it's right now redirect to our cart page still. So this is on the process. We can now click process to checkout, then it will redirect to checkout. Okay, for fixing this issue, we can use direct checkout plugin, because they will not allow to maybe direct to checkout. So let's add a plugin. Direct checkout. You can try this on. There are another plugins also exist. We can check the past one. Okay. Let's check the setting. Direct checkout. Yes, add to cart, redirect to checkout, replace cart URL, add to cart link in shop. Okay, we can click save change, and let's check it again. Let's check the third on. Yeah, it's working perfect. Now you can purchase it easily. Thanks for watching this video first to last, and kindly like, share and subscribe my channel, so I can motivate to create new videos.